Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Posing Sisters. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Maggi bonda. So we all know how to make Maggi and how to make bonda. So let me show you foundation of these two.
Let me show you how to make Maggi. Requirement is 1 packet of Maggi. Now turn on stove and place a pan. Add water, 1 glass of water. To 1 glass of water, we can take 1 packet of Maggi. This is the measurement. Likewise, if you take 2 packets of Maggi, add 2 glasses of water to it. Add Maggi noodles and now add Maggi masala to it. Keep the stove in medium flame. Maggi is a very favorite dish for kids and it's a very good evening snack. Very simple to prepare also. Now stir noodles until water absorbs it. It will take just 2 to 3 minutes. Now Maggi is almost ready. Before taking into another plate, stir it once again and make sure that water is completely absorbed into it. Now it's done. So now we will take Maggi into a plate. And cool the Maggi for 2 minutes and make Maggi into small balls as shown in the video. Make round Maggi balls. Size of balls need not be too small or too large because it need to be deep fried. So make sure that you make a minimum Maggi balls. Now turn on stove, place pan and add oil. Take a mixing bowl and add 3 tablespoons of besan flour and add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of cumin seeds. In Telugu we call it as vamu. And lastly, add salt for your taste. Slowly mix the batter by adding some water. Slowly mix it. Make a thick batter. Sprinkle more water if needed. Now dip Maggi balls we prepared earlier and leave it in oil slowly. Likewise, take one more Maggi ball, dip it in batter prepared and leave it in oil slowly. One by one do it. Make sure that the flame should be in medium, not too low, not too high. So the batter consistency must be pouring but not of drop consistency. Keep the batter aside. Deep fry these masala Maggi balls until they turn golden brown color. Now take these balls and place it in a plate. Now we will shift these balls into a serving plate. I have decorated serving plate very colorfully with onions, coriander leaves, lemon. You can taste this masala Maggi balls with sauce. Let me taste and tell you how it looks. It's tasting very good.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on bell icon for time notifications. Thank you.